In today's video, I'm going to show you how to participate in an airdrop on Binance step by step. Whether you're looking to earn free crypto without heavy trading, or you simply want to take advantage of Binance rewards and promotions, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started easily. First, open your Binance app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, go to the bottom menu and tap on the option labeled More. From there, look for the section called Airdrop and tap on it. Make sure to follow along carefully here, because this is where all active airdrop campaigns are listed. Next, select an active airdrop campaign that's currently available. You'll see several options that help you earn different rewards depending on the project. Tap on a campaign to view its details, including eligibility rules, reward distribution, and task requirements. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually very clear and easy to understand, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Binance account is fully verified, check that you have enough balance if a deposit or holding task is required, and always read the campaign rules carefully. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary disqualification issues. Once you've completed all the required tasks, tap on the Join Now or Claim button, depending on what the campaign specifies. After that, you should be successfully registered for the airdrop without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to double-check that every task shows as completed before claiming. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and increases your chances of receiving the reward. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to participate in Binance airdrops easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be missing out on free crypto. Why not make someone's day easier?